Oh shit! Oh, you fucking idiot. You fucking idiot! You fucking idiot! Oh, hell no.
Most men don't wear perfume, Pigeon, or dresses that make that much noise. You're here.
OnStar emergency.
Yo, Jesus. Holy shit.
Roofing expertise and GAF certified in the of your trust. The answer is open. Safeguarding homes, one roof at a time. You owe it to your roof to contact the Dream Team at Allguard Roofing for
Hey! Wait! Fuck!
just don't realize they're doing it.
God! Did we get hit?
We did not.
Did that person?
Wrist and diamond neck, kick like Jackie Chan wrist. Got that money I can flex, I got Jackie Chan bitch. Not the rubber band, man, but the rubber band click. I can let all on your bitch, call her the body paint bitch. Can I buy your store today because my store need to be fixed? Can I buy your sink today because my sink don't got a sink? It's a stitch coming out my apartment, man, it smell like 40 bricks. They used to call me for the shout and now they call me extra clip. You can call me 15 when you see me, let it rip.
Like, and shit that you don't have to pay bills in. Oh yeah, for sure.
Why the fuck would they beat back when they were in the wrong?
Biologists in terms of geochemical isotopes. So isotopes of carbon, for example, that are in the soil that get taken up by plants that then make their way into the herbivore skeletons.
Hello. He's not bad. Why are you flipping me off? You just fucking cut in front of me. Yeah. Don't, no, are you joking me?
Fucking kill you to let me in, wouldn't it?
What a piece of shit.
Don't. You never know who has a gun.
wrong with you, fucking idiot?